G-Squad, what's happening with y'all, baby? Tall guy back in the flesh, man, with my brother, the life of DNA. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. My brother actually put up the full unedited version of, the whole dash cam footage and everything that took place in Phoenix, Arizona. So make sure y'all go check that out because he definitely did that. Bill, what's up, man? Where Bart at? Dinosaur man.
He ran away. He saw you coming.
He heard me coming? He heard, yeah. What's up, Steve?
After that, I can't get back on your page.
You can't?
That's what Bart said too, but then I went and looked and I sent them the link. They just old as hell. They don't know how to work that stuff. Appreciate it, Bart. Thanks, my man. What's up, baby? How you feeling? Yeah, let's see it. I want to see it, man. Hellcat getting put back together. How you been, Bart?
Just busy little beavers taking care of our nervous car problems.
I'm already knowing, man.
Got those guys calling in like, oh, hey, I called you about 3 months ago and I just want to bring my car down. I go, yeah, I'm out till May. Oh, God, you said you were going to be busy, but I didn't want to be this early. I'm like, look outside.
Yeah. I think a lot of people don't understand the concept of Minnesota and it snows half the year. So once the snow actually melts, this is when people in Minnesota decide all of a sudden they want to start getting their car worked on.
Well, of course they do. It's exactly backwards. You work on your stuff in the wintertime.
And then be ready for the summer. Exactly. It's like hitting the gym. You want to be summer body ready to work on that in the winter, like Bart. And then next be ready to pop it out in the summer.
I was lifting 1 quart oil cans and stuff. It was awesome. All right, so we're putting it back together. Got the race seat out. Here's your exhaust, everything. You got our vacuum down. He's putting everything back in.
Wow.
Worked on it all day, party yesterday, worked on it all day today, we'll be all day tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and hopefully when you want to leave, she's going to California.
I appreciate it, baby.
I can make it.
No, yeah, Bart got those. Those are the racing rims. You like those?
Yeah, it was nice.
A lot of people hate them in the comments.
Really?
I can't even believe it. I think they look sharp as hell.
I think they do too. It looks crazy. I didn't know it looked like that.
They look pissed off at
I
the
ain't
world.
seen this car in a minute.
See, that's how I feel, bro. Look good, don't it? Yeah, big gun it out. Damn, look at my gear shifter. What the hell's that doing in the trunk, Bart?
We figured you're kind of tall.
Yeah.
Everything way back for you so you can get to it.
Yeah, that's about right, too, to maximize the leg room.
So Chris had to vacuum out because we had a little bit of sand in there and you're sucking everything out before we start putting it all back together.
Oh, okay.
One piece at a time.
Damn, that's crazy.
That look crazy in there, don't it?
Oh, the sunroof is back in, though.
Yep.
Hey, Bart.
There's room in there, though. That's crazy.
There's a lot of room in there, ain't it? That's why they call it a boat, bro. That's crazy.
One chunk at a time, baby. Mirrors going back in.
That's shit.
Hey, look at that.
Look how
Tires, though.
Yeah, big drag radials. Them tires is crazy, ain't they? Full race mode, D. Yeah, man. Make sure y'all follow your boy on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter.
Hey, go ahead and follow my
This is the car.
Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. Life DNA, Officer Jones, man. Go check me out.
What'd you say, Bart?
He's ever going to have a pursuit car, being an undercover cop?
Come here, bring it here.
Bring it here.
You gonna get it all
Come
souped
back
up?
in 2 weeks. I'll get it fixed for you.
Might have to, man. And then we got a review coming on a squad car.
Oh yeah, I said that'd be a good funny review
Sure.
on my brother's squad car. Yeah, because I'm used to sitting in the back of those, not the front. So it'd be a big change in scenery for me. I don't ever want to sit in the back of them ever again.
No more.
No, not no more, man. But did you watch the dash cam footage of my brother's video?
Most of it after about 45 minutes of watching the cops trying to figure out what they're going to make up. I'm like, really? That's the best you guys have got? Well, oh, shut up.
I can't speak on it. My lawyer said I can't talk about it.
I cannot speak on it either. Go check out the video.
The link to my brother's dash cam footage will be in the description below. Full unedited version.
Full unedited.
Yeah, because some people put it out there when it was edited to try to make the cops look good. You know what I mean? But
Hey, I got no comment on that either, man. I'm just,
yeah.
people to see it.
Because why would you chop out the part where the cops are going through my camera and all that? But my lawyer said I can't. I can't. Okay. Nope. No edits. But that's the last thing I'm gonna say. But Bart, how's everything going with the Hellcat, brother?
Good. It's all going back together.
Okay.
Just like a jigsaw puzzle. Hey, where'd this part come from? Hey, where'd that part?
Yeah, facts.
It's just making sure we put all the sound deadening back in, everything we took out, obviously the sunroof back in, so they'll get everything on the inside, and then we've got the original exhaust on the floor right.
Yeah, I see it right here. Hey, DJ. So this is the regular exhaust right here, Brody. So the loud one that all the police was messing with me for, taking that off and putting this is the stock one.
Where's the other one at? It's on the car right now?
No, that's over here. Come here, I'll show you. Like, so take a good look at that one right there. Here goes the Borla exhaust right here. You still got burnt rubber from Bart burning up the tires.
Burnt rubber.
But yeah, this is it. So you see it's pretty much a straight pipe, you know, with some like, it is pretty much, right?
There's nothing there except for pipe. They just put these things on the edges.
To drone.
Take the drone out.
Yeah.
That's all it's worth.
Wow.
Yeah,
So quiet it all down for you.
we got plans for this though, Bart. I actually got to tell you about that. Yeah, big plans for this. So I'm actually going to be packing this up with me, putting it in the pickup truck. Yeah, you got to come up with the content, baby.
That won't fit.
You don't think so?
Hell
Ain't going to fit the pickup?
no.
Damn, what we going to do? How we going to bring that in?
You're going to sell it to somebody, to one of your followers who wants to have the Hellcat sound.
Yeah, but I'll tell you, I got plans. I got plans. I got a plan. Well, remember what he said? Well, Ray, fuck your plan. Because you got a plan. This is all fucked up. Remember? He said, I drew that map. Because if I ain't draw up this map, your ass will go come. Tell me that ain't. That's the story of our life.
That's you, because I'm definitely Martin Lawrence in that movie. That's
Yeah, and I'm definitely Eddie Murphy.
yeah, awesome.
You know that movie, Bart?
Yeah, but 7 foot tall Eddie Murphy isn't quite working.
Funny like him though.
Oh, no.
No, Eddie Murphy, iconic, boy. I got to get him in one of my videos.
You could.
That'd be legendary.
You got to.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, you probably get, I have no idea where he's at now. I haven't seen anything. He hasn't done anything for home.
He just had his like 10th kid. You know, he's just living life.
I know his nephew's a boxer.
Is he?
Boxer, yeah.
Oh, that's what's up.
10 kids.
Yeah. He getting loose.
He got 10 kids?
Yeah, I think 10 kids or something like that.
No, he don't got no.
It's something crazy though, bro. He got a bunch of kids.
Dwight Howard or something.
And maybe that's what I might be getting him mistaken for. I might got him mistaken for Dwight Howard.
10 kids, that's too many kids.
So we're taking the long tube headers off too, correct?
Everything's coming off. It's going right back to stock. Every stock part I've got is going back on that car.
Yeah, because it wouldn't make sense to have the long tube headers to go to the stock exhaust, would it?
Well, no, because I got to cut the shit out of it. That doesn't work out so good.
Okay, cool. So yeah, we're going back to those and those.
Yeah, because look, here's the manifolds, and here's where they both up to. Right through catalytic converters. So you're all legal there with the lovely state of California people.
Yep.
And I got to put in those. I got to find what the mufflers you brought in. I think are upgraded high performance muffler. They're not the stock originals. I got to find a picture and what the stock part number is for the stock mufflers. Now, I thought they were a big suitcase muffler that went way back here in place of those resonators.
No, but those are mid mufflers though. They go here.
I know that, but they're not. I don't think they're the stock ones that came on your car. I'll find out.
No, I bought my car brand new with those on it.
You think so?
I know so.
Somebody else didn't touch this car when I wasn't
No,
looking?
I bought it. Nobody touched it. It was brand new.
Okay.
So those is definitely the
Put 'em
mid
back
mufflers.
in, it should-
And I watched them when they did it. There was no cuts, no wells, no nothing.
Was that seat in
So-
there? Was that was gonna go in there?
Yeah, that was the racing seat that was in
You
there.
kidding me? I was
damn.
already in there.
Yeah, that's crazy, right?
This car was a dedicated race car, and I thought
Is
for
this like
sure.
light or what is it?
Yeah, we was gonna get that race in, right, Bart?
Grab it and pick it up.
Yeah, it's not too heavy.
Pick it up.
It's light.
Well, no, yeah. Now try to pick up his regular seat.
Where's that
Get
at?
yourself a hernia. Yeah. That's why I put one race seat in the car. We had the second one in for filming.
So you was gonna win.
Who's
That's what
gonna
you're saying. Pretty much.
That's what he's saying.
Yeah.
So light.
Nine.
Was it gonna jump up though, like Fast and Furious, the back?
No, back's gonna stay put. The front's
Be like Vin Diesel.
Yeah, that Vin Diesel. I want to see that in real life.
Yeah, Hellcat do that. Hellcat. Yeah, he definitely got that for sure.
yeah, that's.
This thing jumps up.
Oh yeah.
You never seen that before.
I know that'd be crazy, right? Yeah, you can see it on like drag strip videos.
But Sky, then you went too far.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because it's gonna go back.
Yeah, well, yeah, or you're gonna get scared and hit the brakes. It's gonna go straight down and crush everything in sight.
I like that though. That's nice.
Yeah, I did a review on that, D.
Did you?
Yeah, you're gonna be watching that video. Not G Squad, huh?
Man, get out of here. G-Squad to the fullest.
Yeah, because you my brother.
Exactly.
Wouldn't be who I am without this dude right here. That's a fact.
I ain't got time to be watching all of them.
Your own brother doesn't watch your
I'm
videos.
trying to make videos, work, box. Come on, man.
Yeah, he'll come and drop a comment every now and again and scatter that over out there. Well, what he does all the time, though, he's done it since the time I started my channel. If he doesn't have the time to watch the video, he'll click it, let it play, and let it watch all the ads, and then get all my watch time up, and then he'll from there.
You click on my thing, it says I watched all of them. I just click it and let them go through the playlist.
So he at least let me get my money.
I'm premium.
That-
Pay the extra
He
money
get
to go
that. He get that premium ad.
yeah, and he got the emoji next to his name, too. Yeah.
Don't ever disrespect me like that again, man.
No. So the Hellcat, is everything gonna be back to normal?
Yeah, hopefully by the end of the week it'll be done.
But like driving wise and like.
Be right back to where it was when you first came in.
Okay. Yeah, but it's gonna be faster though, right?
A little bit because we're leaving the pulley on it and the cold air intake.
But
The cold air intake are staying on the car, not changing them.
but it still has the tune on there, or do you got to retune it?
No. Well, I have to take 2 degrees of spark out for the race gas because you don't want to run 102 octane at $9 a gallon, do you?
No, hell no.
Yeah, I'm kidding with you.
Okay, I was say, where you getting your gas at?
$10 a gallon?
Yeah, that's OD.
That's what's in it.
You're taking a seat, you're taking a bus.
So we're going to put it back to the way it was when you came in. The first thing we did was a cold air intake.
Right.
Then we did the tune and the pulley.
Yep.
Those are the only things that are staying on the car.
Oh, what else did we do under there?
Oh, we put
Oh, I still got the carbon fiber drive shaft. That stays though.
Yep, that's staying in.
Yeah.
There's no reason to take that out.
Yeah.
I mean, it's lightweight and it holds up well. You already paid for it, so we're good to go.
Yeah.
But the exhaust is going back into it. Taking the good lightweight rotors are coming. They're coming with me. You're getting the original great big bastards.
Big expensive joints.
Yeah, the front shocks and the coilovers that are for the heavier weight of the car because we're putting all the weight back in the car.
So they be hiding drugs in here, so they strip cars and put drugs in there.
Oh, dude.
I know Border Patrol be having a, man, long day trying to go through all this.
It is though. So many different little compartments on it. This is that police brain that's kicking in.
So many, all the drugs that be sitting up in here. And then they just put it all back together.
You gonna become Border Patrol?
Nah, I'm good. Border Patrol, something else.
You should be border control with Canada. Can't be a whole lot going on.
Oh, we don't Canada, boy. Ooh, I got a lot of G Squad in Canada, but man, the Border Patrol people ain't no joke. There was this one fake ass tough guy at the Border Patrol too.
You guys got tangled up in
They're
the
pressing me like, you have your gun? I'm like, no, if I have my gun, I would tell you. They see my badge and everything.
Yeah, they was acting dumb. They took me and put me in a whole nother room, like they was about to arrest me, just to question me type. Like I was going. I said, oh, this.
That was my first experience in Canada, and I don't know, man.
I don't never want to go back there, boy. And all we did was make a wrong turn. All I want to do is do a U-turn.
Yeah, but in all fairness, that happened to me when I was in my late 20s. I came back on a hunting trip. Instead of pulling up right by the window, I pulled in because I had to declare my geese and my ducks. I was up hunting, right, with one of my buddies. And they did the same thing. They took us apart, put us into the separate rooms, and asked this thing, and we're driving this beat up piece of shit Ram Charger. And the guy's like, well, you got more than $10,000.
They probably thought you was John Wayne Gacy, bro.
I'm sure that was it. Yeah. And the guy's like, you got more than 10,000 cash? I said, if I had more than 10,000 cash, I could be driving that piece of shit Ram Charger out there. Get out of here.
See, if that was me, they'd either arrested me and shot me, talking greasy like that. All I did was say, what's your badge number and your name? All right, I can't talk about it. All right, okay, fuck it, man. Come on, man. Get the fuck out of here, man. Let's go. There goes a Pontiac G8 right there, man. For those who don't know, man, my brother used to have a Pontiac G6.
You used to have a Pontiac G6.
Yeah, I used to just whip it like it was mine, but it was definitely yours.
You put a good 80,000 miles on it.
At least. Yeah, then you got the red. Steve, get out the damn way, man. If I knock the damn cap off your head, man. Watch out, man. I'm trying to show up the red car.
My union brothers will get you.
No, but then you got the red joint right there with the peppermint inside. I heard this was your car right here, Steve.
No, I had one at one time. Can't see the fat chick inside.
Funny as hell. Look at it. If y'all can see that real crispy, clear. That's you, Steve? That look like you, Steve.
No, that's your girlfriend. Cadillac for you with flower pots.
Steve, this car was born the same time you was. Harlem Nights.
This one's older, and that's younger. It's got like flower holders on it right here, glass.
Where? Let me see.
Built right in.
Oh yeah, I did a review on this, DJ. Yeah, I did a review on this with Bart. It was me, Bart, and Mr. Organic. Go subscribe to my dog, Mr. Organic, man. Link will be in the description below, man. Look at the old Scarface joint.
I like that.
Yeah, that's what 3 was on. You know the headlights pop up. That's what 3 told me. Yeah.
This one here?
Yep. So you see how they like that when they turn on? Yep, they just lean forward. That's an old Porsche, ain't it?
I like this.
Yeah. I would never buy that. But come on, let's go up here
I ain't say I
in the
was
front.
I'm trying to roast on it.
I did try to get you though.
What's this one? What's this Challenger?
Yeah, it's a Challenger, SRT. And there goes Day-Day's Camaro right there. Everybody go follow my dog. You see why I do this on Instagram. And there goes his Corvette. Look, D. Right there.
Oh, for real?
Yep.
What's the difference between SRT and a Hellcat? Go ahead and roast me.
The supercharger. Pretty much just a supercharger though, Brody.
I don't know anything about none of it.
You know, Steve got a whole bunch of cars. How many cars you got, Steve?
17.
17. Steve rich, bro. I'm telling you. No, Steve got the dummy bag. He just looked like it. Look, I mean, look at his shoes. He just looked like that. You know what I mean? I can't talk because my shoes be looking just beat up as is.
These are special.
Let me see him. Let me see. Oh, is that why they lean to the right like that?
Nope, they're diabetic.
Oh. Steve crazy, man. All right, y'all, and just like that, man, we are leaving High Tech Motorsport, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to my little brother's YouTube channel,
Life of
ASAP.
DNA.
What is it again, brother?
The Life of DNA.
One more time.
The Life of DNA.
Sorry, I'm a little hearing impaired.
The Life of DNA. Go
The
check
link
it out.
is in the
Got
description
you,
below,
Got
man.
you.
Make sure you click that link, subscribe to his YouTube channel, and watch that full unedited version
Unedited.
of the dash cam footage, man. Make sure you go check that out ASAP. I'm telling y'all, y'all gonna have a lot to say. I ain't gonna say nothing. My lawyer said I can't say much, even though I said a little bit. I can't say much.
Because I can't, because I'm a police officer, so you don't get
Yeah, I mean, job is a conflict,
yeah,
but
conflict
we know you my brother, and I wouldn't be who I am today without you.
Exactly.
So I greatly appreciate you, bro, and I love you
no
very
problem.
much. You know what I'm
Love you
saying?
too, bro.
And even though my brother, police officers, always had my back from day
yeah.
one. So let's get a full understanding here. You know what I mean? But tall guy, I'm out. My brother, the Life of DNA. We out of here, man. See you on the next video. You want to hit the camera like how you always do?
Peace. Ooh.
Damn.
I'm ready to go get the angle out the back with the exhaust.
Ooh, gotta rev it up a little bit.
Let me know if y'all want a review done on this. This is a Nissan 2012 Altima S, not even the ST.
Oh, that's why it sound like that, because you got the
It's
S
too
on
crazy.
there.
It's too crazy.
You got the S on
Not
there.
even 3.5. This is just a regular Mook. So I mean, it's up to y'all. I ain't want to do it because I ain't, you know, it's cool. Whatever.
That sound like the Hellcat after all the modifications.
And now you going down in stock, so mine might outdo yours right now.
All right, let's relax.